I don't want to be filmed, so I'm going to ask you to leave.
Hours later.
How you doing?
She kind of filled me in on what was going on. Did she explain to you that they can't sell baby formula once they return it?
After she already did.
Okay, it's time to go.
So if it's
and you're
against
banned
the law,
from here. They don't want you back in here.
okay.
So if you come back, what's your name?
You don't need my name.
Oh yeah, I do.
You sure you know the law?
Yes, sir. I think I know the law.
Okay.
Basically, you got more important stuff to be doing right now.
I know.
So I just want to get your name and get out of here.
Why would you need to run me?
You don't got any warrants, do you? Huh?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, I was just wondering because most people, when they don't want to give you their name, is worried about them having warrants.
You got your camera on?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's happening?
I really don't want to talk about it now because you.
That's fine.
You.
I've been what?
You breaking my constitutional rights, sir.
Oh, I am. Okay.
I promise you are.
Okay.
But just like you don't want to explain to me, I'm not gonna teach you. You should already know these things. So I'm gonna let you.
What constitutional right did I break?
He's an auditor.
Listen to your friend. Listen to your friend.
Yeah. He's an auditor. This is something he does. He's big on TikTok, big on YouTube.
Thank you,
But
sir.
I've watched a lot, so I know kind of how it works.
So can you explain to him why I don't have to give him my name or my identity? I don't have to.
Sir, when you're in here in Walmart causing a disturbance and they call us, yeah, we need to investigate what's going on.
You got a supervisor?
Huh?
Because you
Yeah,
gonna
I
keep
got a
telling me, can you get him out here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
My supervisor.
I don't have to identify myself.
Since you want to talk to him, he's on the way.
I'm just trying to learn you before he get here because he finna tell you the same thing.
So what most auditors do is they'll try to get you to put your hands on him and try to get you to put him in trust. I know, Pete. Just listen.
But if he calls it a disturbance,
I understand completely. But their goal is they want
check
to
him
sue.
for warrants.
No, you're breaking my constitutional rights by threatening to take me to jail for not giving you my name when I haven't committed a crime.
When did I threaten you to take you to jail?
You said I was resisting.
Pete, just don't talk.
No, but it's good.
It's on
Never
camera.
did I threaten you, sir. I'm on camera.
It's on
too.
camera. You said I was resisting. Resisting what?
Did
The
I
only
threaten
thing
you
you can
to take you
resist
there?
is arrest. I can refuse to give you my name, but I can't resist you unless you're arresting me.
Yeah.
Am I detained?
You are being detained.
Under what penal code?
Under this call right now that I'm on, this investigation.
What penal code?
Give me this.
Give me 1 second.
Thank you, sir.
All right, guys, here we go. This one starts inside Walmart where things escalate fast. The officer approaches after store complaint and immediately pushes for identification. But here's the problem. No crime has been committed. The citizen stands firm, questioning the legal grounds, and right away you can feel the tension rising. Instead of explaining the law clearly, the officer starts dancing around the issue, throwing out vague accusations and trying to pressure compliance. This is where accountability matters most. The cameraman isn't aggressive, he's informed, and that changes everything. When officers expect blind obedience but meet someone who knows his rights, the whole script flips. And just like that, what should have been a simple conversation turns into a constitutional showdown.
See, you're the one wanting to cause trouble, not me.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I would have just left. But you thought I didn't know what I was talking about. You thought you was just gonna break my constitutional
They wanted
rights.
you gone. I want to ban you. I want to run your
That's
ID.
fine.
and
I ain't
check you
broke
for
a law,
warrants
though.
And then let you go.
I ain't
but
broke-
since now you want to stay and you want to wait for my supervisor to come and talk to you, we gonna stay here and we're gonna wait on him.
He gonna come talk to you.
Okay.
He ain't
All right.
coming to talk to me,
Oh, he
buddy.
gonna talk to you.
All right. I thought you was a nice guy,
I
but
am
you
a nice
came
guy. I
in
haven't done
there.
not
You
one
came in
thing
there
to you.
telling me I was resisting
I
and
have done
things
not
like
one-
that.
not one
You ain't
thing
even
about
want to hear my story.
They called me. You haven't given me a
Do
chance.
you know
to
what's
listen.
going on?
You hadn't even
Look
given me a
what's in
chance
my
to
hand right
listen.
here. Look
You
what I'm
returned
dealing with.
baby formula.
Right.
And then
You think I'm here to
got
cause
upset
trouble? I'm not upset. You're
because
upset.
they wouldn't let you buy it back.
I bought it back. They already
said
broke
that
the law by selling it back
She
to
said
me.
that you were calling
They
disturbance,
failed.
so
You're
they
about to
called me.
fail.
So they They said call me.
You're
because
about to
called
fail your
disturbance,
test.
and they want you
Calm
out of here. That's all. That's all it is.
Didn't I walk out willingly with you?
And then you said you want me to hear your story.
But you said I was resisting.
But you won't tell me your
Resisting
story.
what?
You won't tell me your story. You want to get me on camera.
You didn't want to hear it. You
wanna
already
get me-
on camera
I know,
saying
that's
you
fine.
didn't want to
You
hear
want to
it.
get me out of character, which I'm not. I'm just telling you what you're doing.
All right.
You don't really want me to hear your story. But
Not
if you'd
now.
like to tell me, sir, I'd like to listen.
Not now.
Okay.
You already
But
broke
you
my.
do want to
you
wait
al-
for my supervisor, so we're going to sit here and be quiet and wait.
I'm not gonna be quiet.
Okay.
First Amendment. You know that one? I don't gotta be quiet.
You don't have to be quiet.
Thank you.
I am.
Appreciate it. De-escalate. That's your job. De-escalate the situation.
I do every day.
They seem like it.
Stand by. 85. Now in class. Keep fire. 9.
Temp walk out. The fuel test is called. Appreciate it. All right.
You good?
Yeah. You want to speak to our supervisor?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Definitely.
We'll here with you.
You've been great, sir. You've been great.
Here's
You've been
the
great.
thing. He's older. I'm younger.
I
I watch
understand.
a lot more like stuff.
I understand. Man,
know-
I didn't come to cause trouble. I didn't even know he was coming. This is what I was dealing with, but he came in and barged in on me like I don't know my rights and I ain't got none at all. So
But you know, there's constitutional rights, there's federal law, and then you got state law.
nothing
too,
trumps
right?
those constitutional rights, sir. Nothing. You should know that.
Okay.
Just in case you have to, just in case you lose your badge,
I got you.
you should understand that your constitutional rights.
Hey, if you got
That's
me
top
here,
dog, buddy.
you got me here, you got me here. But guess
But
what?
you've been nice, man. I appreciate you. I promise, man.
So
Good
can I-
energy,
Can I
man.
ask you a question?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Have I been ugly?
Have you got any money yet
Any money?
Yeah.
Plenty.
from suing?
Nah, I don't need to do that.
So you
haven't
have
been nice?
Nah, I don't need
Okay.
to.
How was I not nice?
I asked him, man. I
Did I
didn't.
ask you your name?
Hey, it's all good.
I-
I'm
nah,
not worried about it. Pete, yeah.
Ask him. He told me I was resisting arrest in front of all
Never
these.
told you that.
In front of all these people in
You
Walmart,
said,
as if
"Why
I'm a
do I have
criminal,
to
man.
give you your name?"
I was
said,
like, man, come on, man.
You said-
But did you not tell me I had to give you my name?
Huh?
Did you not tell me I had to give you my
I said
name?
you needed
So
to.
here's
No,
what
you
I'm
said you had to give me.
here's what
I
I'm
had
gonna
to give you my name.
It's hot. I'm gonna sit in my beautiful AC car.
Man, you
while we
blessed,
wait on
man.
my
I
supervisor.
got to stand out here and wait on the supervisor, man. It is hot.
What you got?
He told me I was detained, and I'm trying to figure out why.
Because you want to be.
I can't leave.
Because you want to be.
You are.
You can leave right
happy
now.
to leave right
Huh?
now. That's why
I ain't going
but don't
nowhere
go
now.
back.
I don't want your supervisor. I want
Yeah,
him to
that's-
teach
that's
you
why I asked
something.
you.
So
That's
no,
why
I
you're
want
not
him to
being
teach you
detained.
something. I'm
You're
not going
detained
nowhere.
On your own.
You detained me.
No.
It's on
You
camera.
detained-
Didn't he detain me? You seen it? You ain't got to. You getting you some good footage.
I just said you could go home. But hey, you want to stay here and wait on him? That's up to
I'm
you.
definitely gonna wait on him.
This is silly.
You told me I was detained, and you think I'm gonna walk off from you?
Well, I guess you have me detained now because I got stuff I got to do, but you got
No,
me detained now.
well-
So we got each other detained.
Well, you should have
He's on his
came
way.
in.
You talk to him, and then I'm out of here.
You should have came with a de-escalating spirit and not the one you in.
Okay. Okay.
Now pay attention, because this is where the pressure gets heavier. The officer doubles down, acting like standing your ground somehow equals causing trouble. Classic move, instead of de-escalating. He keeps the citizen hanging around, waiting on a supervisor, while trying to maintain control of the scene. But the citizen doesn't fold. He keeps reminding them. Constitutional rights come before feelings, before ego, before department habits. That's the key here. One side is trying to enforce authority. The other is demanding lawful conduct. You can hear the frustration building. Because once an officer realizes a person in front of them understands the law, the power dynamic shifts hard. And that shift, that's exactly what they hate.
Well, I guess you have me detained now because I got stuff I got to do, but you got me
No,
detained now.
well-
So we got each other detained.
Well, you should have
He's on his
came
way.
in.
You talk to him, and then I'm out of here.
You should have came with a de-escalating spirit and not the one you in.
Okay. Okay.
Me on camera.
Here, too.
Unlawful detainment. For what? For what?
Causing a disturbance in Walmart.
I ain't caused no disturbance. I was as quiet as I was as
wasn't
quiet
here,
as a
but
mouse
that's what
standing
they
right
called
there.
us. When you look on my call,
It's on camera.
The signal on the call says a 25, which is a disturbance.
Does that camera lie? Neither does mine.
That's right.
You
I
understand?
wasn't here when the disturbance was going on.
You didn't care to be here. You could have got my
Because
side.
they probably have cameras on the whole
You could have
thing.
got my side.
Tried to.
No, you didn't.
But you just want to
It's
talk
on
about
camera.
constitutional rights.
Right.
And you want to talk about pot stirring stuff because you're trying to stir a pot.
My constitutional rights is more important than you trespassing me from Walmart for something you ain't even discussed amongst us.
Yeah.
This
I
is
just
a
asked you what your name
This
was.
is a private owned
I
business.
asked you what your name
I'm the
was.
public.
How is it wrong for you
I'll
to
pay
ask
you.
you what your name is?
I'll pay you.
How is it
I live right around the corner. You just ran my
my
name.
name on here.
You just ran my
how is it
name.
wrong
I
for you
pay
to
my
ask-
taxes that pay you. This a private owned business to protect and
You
serve.
do not want to talk about
Who did
that.
you swear to protect and serve? Under oath.
public.
The public.
That's
This is
right.
private owned.
And I'm here to serve and protect you.
What you protecting them from?
Huh?
I'll go ahead and let you pat me down too before you get to acting like I got something on me.
I'm just standing here waiting on my
Cause what you
card.
protecting them from?
You getting all excited, not me.
Man, I wake up excited. Good spirit, man. Institutional rights.
You don't have any idea who I am. Quit
You
talking.
right. What's your name and badge number?
Peter Tadowski, 2733.
Thank you.
Sheriff's Office.
Now we do.
But you do not know me. So quit judging me.
You judge me.
I never judged you.
You just said I
By
caused the
asking your
disturbance.
name, and that was it.
You said I caused the
And then I told you
disturbance.
Walmart didn't want you in
You
here
said I
anymore.
caused the disturbance to who? They wronged
No, I
me,
said
and you
they-
don't even
I
know
said
that
they
yet.
called me because they said you started a disturbance.
They wronged me, and you don't even
But,
know
sir,
that yet because you haven't cared enough to
But
ask.
sir, I wasn't here.
You came to protect the private-owned business
Here's my
instead of the
supervisor.
public.
I'm done talking to you.
I know you are.
Who's our supervisor?
You're not smart enough to talk to me.
Okay. That's fine. You can keep belittling me, sir. That's fine. Here, you talk to him.
I'm not belittling you.
All right.
You belittle me.
You're free to go, but you can talk to him.
I know I'm free to go and I'm free to stay.
Okay. You're not free to stay.
I'm
Not
free
at
to go and I'm
Walmart.
free to stay.
If you stay at Walmart,
I'm detained, remember?
okay, when you leave,
Right, when I leave.
all right.
I haven't left yet. A trespass is when you leave and you come back. Learn the law. How you doing, sir?
I don't know. I got
What's your name and badge number, sir?
It's Sergeant Robert Presley. Badge number is 1679.
Thank you, sir. He just broke my
wanted to talk to
constitutional right.
Okay. How's that?
Under the threat of arrest, he told me I had to give him my name and I hadn't broken the law.
Well,
I just want you to explain to him that I don't have to give him my name. You know the law?
Yes, sir. I think I know the law.
Okay.
All right, this final stretch exposes everything. The detention claim starts falling apart under scrutiny, and the officer keeps leaning on Walmart's complaint instead of actual evidence. The citizen calls it exactly how it is: unlawful detention, intimidation, and rights being trampled. Then comes a badge number. Finally, but only after the damage is done. That tells you everything. If transparency was there from the beginning, none of this chaos would have happened. Instead, we watch an officer judge first, investigate second. That's backwards. This is why cameras matter, why recording matters, and why citizens standing on their rights matter. Because when power gets comfortable, accountability becomes the enemy. And today, that camera made sure the truth stayed alive.